Hi everyone, welcome to Vidya's Kitchen. Today recipe is ponganalu. Ponganalu is a traditional snack item of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. It is a fluffy and smoothie food item. It is sometimes stuffed with onions, corn or coriander for taste. It is taken in combination with peanut or pudina chutney. First of all, we are taking 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of rice. Then wash and soak it 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, add the soaked ingredients to a mixer grinder or a blender. Add some water and grind till you get a fine grainy consistency of rice in the batter. A smooth consistency of the batter is also fine. Now take the batter in a large bowl and add 1 spoon of salt. Mix very well. Then cover and allow to ferment for overnight. The time of fermentation will vary depending on the temperature conditions, climate and altitude. After 12 hours of fermentation, a proper fermentation will double. Batter is very well fermented. Take the batter and mix it with chopped onions, green chilies, curry leaves and carrot. Use a spoon to make sure that the batter ingredients are mixed nicely. Take the ponganala pan, place on the burner and grease it with a little oil. Pour the batter in the molds. Do not fill the molds completely. Fill only 3 by 4 size of the molds, as the balls will rise when cooked. And cook for 5 minutes, each side over low flame. Take out on a plate and serve hot with coconut chutney or peanut chutney.